Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by positioning the bike for success. Saddle slightly higher than usual and pedals level. Move forward slowly, then shift weight over the rear wheel. This unloads the handlebars so you can relax your grip. Once done, lift your hands briefly to habituate the feeling, breathe steady. Make sure to keep eyes forward and use your core to stabilize. Practice multiple short tries of 5 to 8 seconds. This builds the balance and confidence you need before fully letting go. You now lift one hand then the other, keeping both shoulders relaxed. This isolates the control coming from your core and hips. Pedal at a consistent cadence, about 70-90 RPM, because steady input makes balance predictable. If you feel the bike yawing, make tiny hip adjustments and subtle pressure with the feet rather than grabbing the bars. That gives you finer corrections. Once comfortable with alternating hands for 10-15 seconds, try both hands off briefly, ready to touch down if needed. You commit to a short no-hands ride. Glance ahead, unclench, and lift both hands for 5 to 10 seconds while keeping your core engaged. If the bike starts to wobble, do not panic. Reduce speed a little and make calm hip or seat adjustments to realign the center of mass. If balance degrades quickly, execute the emergency touch. Slide one finger to the grip to re-establish contact. Keep repeating these controlled attempts until 10+ seconds feels natural.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.